In this video, we are going to discuss about the difference between candlestick and Heiken Ashi candlestick. If you look at the structure of candlestick and Heiken Ashi, both are similar only. Then what is the difference? The candlestick represent the buying and closing, means opening price and closing price, the high value and low value within that time frame, right? What it means is opening price, closing price, high of that candle or high value of that time frame and low value of that time frame, whatever the time frame you have selected in the live market. And what is the Heiken Ashi represent? Heiken Ashi represent the smoothed version of candlestick. What is meant by smoothed version? There are some mathematical intuition behind it, but I don't think so it is required to cover in this video. It is really not required. In the layman terms, it's the smooth version of candlestick, but it's the, whenever Heiken Ashi we are plotting, it's the momentum average, we can say that movement or trend average, it's an average price. That's why Heiken Ashi is look like smoother than candlestick. What it means, let's take an example here. If you look at the chart, here is the candlestick chart. You can see lots of volatility here, red candle, green candles, red candle, green candles. Then in between, if you see here, in between you can see some green candles, right, in the downfall also. So if you select Heiken Ashi, you will not get that red candle. Heiken Ashi will always follow the trend. See how much green candle I have shown you today, and how much red candles is here. Only one green candle is here, but in regular candlestick lots of green candles are here, right? So in short, Heiken Ashi is the smoothed version of candlestick. That's it. It's helpful to find out the trend in the market, or suppose if you wanted to find out the trend, or if your mindset is panicking while trading, you can just shift to the Heiken Ashi. Now the major problem in the Heiken Ashi is the chart, which in the live market chart, whenever chart is moving, the price here will be different and the movement here will be different, because as I said earlier, in the Heiken Ashi will plot the average of that movement, like average of that movement in the 1 minute chart, so that it will be print as a smoothed version of regular candlestick. If you don't understand what is exactly mean, don't worry about the definition. You just need to observe in the live market. But I am strongly suggesting you need to focus on, as a beginner, at least one in the sense, either you can go for Heiken Ashi for at least 1 or 2 months continuously. Do not see Heiken Ashi today, after tomorrow candlestick, day after tomorrow Heiken Ashi. Do not see like that one. Do not study like that one. If you select candlestick, go with the candlestick unless and until you will get good entries or you are able to restrict the losses. If you select Heiken Ashi, from that day select Heiken Ashi only. Otherwise it will be confused. Market will confuse you, or your mindset will confuse you when to enter, how to enter. So take it very slow. Take your time and observe market by yourself. Then only you are able to understand. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.